Hi guys, here my honest review about these Haraten R4 or 7 hearing aids. I think they are also sold under the model C522 for a very low price. They come with two programs, normal program and a noise reduction program. They have 10 different volume levels. It comes also with this rechargeable charging cradle, which we can use to charge the hearing aids about 4 or 5 times. And the runtime is about 25 hours per charge. So in total about 1 week, which sounds pretty good. By the way, that's the box how I got it. And so here the hearing aids look pretty much standard. I would say nothing too fancy for like inside where you don't see anything outside. But how are they really working? I've been using them for a little bit. At the beginning they didn't look too bad. I mean, they were quite comfortable to wear. They also amplified everything really nicely. I would say even in a pretty good way, nothing uncomfortable or so. With some of the hearing aids, we have amplification of some crazy stuff like opening doors, closing doors, and almost nothing else. Here I had the impression that it was doing a good job, but what you have to be aware of, especially when you put them inside, that they are not free of this audible loop. When you have them on a too high level, can cause an almost painful high-pitched sound. Be very careful, only use them on the lowest level when you insert them into your ears. What I noticed is that there was not much difference between the two programs, the normal program and the noise reduction program. Also the instructions say when you press and you hear 2 times beeping, then it's in the noise reduction mode. I had actually the impression that it was exactly the opposite when it was beeping just once after pressing like this one button here. Then it was in the noise reduction mode, and when I heard 2 times beeping, then it was in the normal mode. But you will find out on your own. But I didn't feel a huge difference. There was just a little bit less background noise after hearing one beeping. What I also had the impression that it's a little bit difficult to push these 3 or one of these 3 buttons when you have them behind the ears. I mean, it's technically possible to operate them one-handed. I mean, you could push maybe with your thumb on one side and then push with the index finger on the other side. But just having it on the ear and then just pushing like that, that won't work. It's too hard or causing some pain. That's something which is not so good. And I ended also with a big problem on one side. It's changed the volume to super low, and I've never been able to increase it to normal volume. I can hear just a little bit, but it's so low it really doesn't help. And on the other side, it's stuck in a super high volume mode. I don't know why. I've been putting them back into the cradle, took them out, turned them off and on again, used all the different volume settings, but I couldn't turn it down to a normal level. Even on the lowest level, it's very high, it's very strong. And the only thing which it allowed me to do was even increasing the volume, which I didn't want. And I think there is no option to reset. At least I haven't found something like that. Maybe I could keep them on, let them run out of power, put them back into charge. Maybe this would help. But for me, the overall experience is really not so good. I would actually recommend to stay away from this set here. It's not really convincing. A couple of things which I don't like. So I would say look for something else. But I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.